Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a heart character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to do two characters today, so have space right here on this side and space on the other side as well, so we can fit both characters. We're going to start with a rounded line for the first heart, and then down and close that off, just like that. Next, we're gonna come on the inside of our shape, and we're gonna draw a big eye right here, and another big eye right here, with two lines coming out from underneath. We'll fill in with the pupil, and then the other pupil, and then two eyebrows right above like that, and then a cute little smile. Perfect. Next, let's add two little cheeks, a few little details, and then let's give our heart some arms and legs. We'll have an arm right there, an arm right there, a leg, and then a curved line, straight, curved right there, then some shadow right there. Perfect. And there we have a heart character. Let's draw one more. This time we're gonna draw a grumpy heart, okay? So we're gonna come on this side, make kind of a squiggly heart shape. Perfect. Next, we're gonna add a straight line in the heart shape for the eye. And then two circle lines underneath for those eyes. Two curved lines. And then fill in the pupils looking to the side. Next, we're gonna do a rounded line with a straight line underneath for the mouth. A couple of grumpy teeth. A line under the chin. And a few lines here on the side of the mouth. Let's do some little circles and dots, maybe a couple lines for details. Let's give our heart some hair. And then let's do some legs. We'll do one right here with a little shadow, another one right here with a little shadow, an arm right there, and an arm right here. Perfect. And there we have a grumpy heart. Yeah! Thank you so much for following along with me today. You did a really good job. I'm so proud of you. I hope you'll come back really soon. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.